Yep.
Wait, no, Cassandra's turn. Okay.
Does somebody go?
Okay. Oh! Why do I always fall?
Because you're Cassandra. You're always going to fall.
I'm awesome.
There's a dog.
Awesome.
Where'd he go?
Awesome.
Oh.
Doggy!
Yeah, I know. I saw. Look. Look. There's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog.
Oh.
She's very nice. We'll just play.
Why do you know she's done that?
Catherine, you going to go down?
Yeah, Cassandra.
Okay. Where? Oh my gosh. Is Catherine coming? Catherine! Catherine, are you gonna come down?
Holy crap! Oh!
Alright, Catherine's gonna be coming down now. Nice going.
It's going backwards!
Nice going, Catherine.